In an infinite universe, every point can be regarded as the center, because every point has an infinite number of stars on each side of it. The intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. Stephen Hawking. It is hard to imagine how free will can operate if our behavior is determined by physical law, so it seems that we are no more than biological machines and that free will is just an illusion. Stephen Hawking said that his quest is simply trying to understand the mind of God. Einstein never accepted that the universe was governed by chance. His feelings were summed up in his famous statement, "God does not play dice." Science is not only a disciple of reason but, also, one of romance and passion. Do we really have reason to believe that an objective reality exists? Or in other words, why does disorder increase in the same direction of time as that in which the universe expands? The most important point, that the universe is governed by a set of rational laws that we can discover and understand. But if the universe is really completely self-contained, having no boundary or edge, it would have neither beginning nor end, it would simply be. If there were events earlier than this time, then they could not affect what happens at the present time. Their existence can be ignored because it would have no observational consequences. If we find the answer to that, why the universe exists, it would be the ultimate triumph of human reason. For then we would know the mind of God. If a star were a grain of salt, you could fit all the stars visible to the naked eye on a teaspoon, but all the stars in the universe would fill a ball more than 8 miles wide. I had no desire to share the fate of Galileo, with whom I feel a strong sense of identity, partly because of the coincidence of having been born exactly 300 years after his death. There could be whole anti-worlds and anti-people made out of anti-particles. However, if you meet your anti-self, don't shake hands. The last chapter discussed why we see time go forward, why disorder increases and why we remember the past but not the future. However, one cannot really argue with a mathematical theorem. God not only plays dice, he also sometimes throws the dice where they cannot be seen. We create history by our observation, rather than history creating us. See you in another video. Thank you. I love you.